Hello guys, welcome to Crack the Logic with KC, part of the Gurukul's CAT 100 Study Room to Boardroom series. In this LRDI series, we will be solving 100 carefully chosen sets for the next 100 days. I am Krishna Chaitanya and get ready to train your brain. So today we'll be solving one more logical reasoning problem. And today's set is based on games and tournaments. And trust me, it's a very easy one. Okay, so pause the video, try to solve the problem, and then we'll discuss how to solve this type of questions. So 10 players A through J participated in a round robin chess tournament. So what is a round robin match? We already discussed. Whenever it is round robin match, every person is playing with every other person. That's what they mentioned here, where each player plays every other player exactly once. In match between any two players, if the match is decisive, that is one of them wins the match, the winner will get 1 point and the loser will not get any points. If the match ends as a draw, both the players will get half point each. The following table gives the points scored by each player in the match played against some of the other players. Okay, it is not a full table. Let's try to fill the table as much as possible. If it is not getting filled up, we'll leave the problem over there. We'll go to the questions and try to solve with the help of information available. Now, let's see what is happening. If you observe carefully, now let's talk about only A row and A column. Okay, slowly observe the table. A cannot play with A, that's why it's a cross. A is playing with B or not, I don't know, no information here. I don't know, no information here. But A is playing with D and A got 0 points. Which means, can I say in the match between A and D, A lost the match. That's why A got 0 points. Perfect. If A lost the match with D in A and D match, can I say if the match is happening between D and A, D should win and get a 1 point? Yes, no. The same way, if you observe, this I don't know, this is half, which means it's a draw. So the match between A and F is draw and it got half point, which means the match between F and A should be draw, there should be half point. Understanding the logic? Now, the match between A and G, I don't know. A and H, A got 1 point, which means A won. So H and A match, H got 0 points against A. The match between A and J, A got 1 point, which means J and A, J should get 0 points. Clear what is happening? The same way, let's look in the reverse. The match between B and A, B got 1 point, which means B won the match. A will get 0 points. So your row is talking about your points. So if in this row, sum of everything equal to points of A. In this row, sum of everything equal to points of B. Now, A and C played the match and C won. So A lost. E lost. So A will win. F got half. F will get half. G got 0. A will get 1. This is 0, 1. This is half. This is half. So your row and column will keep on matching the values. This row values should be complementing to your column values. Whatever your row values are there, those values should be complementing your column values. Clear? Now try to fill the table. For B, half point here, so half point here, 0 here, so 1 here, half here, half here, 1 here, 0 here. I'm talking about this row and this column. 1 here, 0 here, 0 here, 1 here, 1, 0, half, half, 0 and 1. Clear on how we are writing? Look at this table. Next, third row and third column. This is 0. It should be 1. 1, 0, 1, 0, 0. This should be 1. Half. This should be half. 0. This should be 1. 1. This should be 0. Check the patterns, how we are writing. Now the third one. I got 1 here. 0, 1, 0, 0. This should be 1. 0. This should be 1. Half. Half, 0. This should be 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 rows are done. Fifth row, fifth column. Half, half. 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0. Half, half. So basically we are observing if one team is winning the match, which means the other team is by default losing the match. 0, half, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, half. This will be half. Half, half, 1, 0, half. This is half. Next, 0. This will be 1, 1. This will be 0. Next, 1. This is 0. That is how we calculate the values. Now let's try to find the sum of everything. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 plus 2 halves. This is 5. Next, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Half and half. 6.5. That is for B. Now for C. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Plus half and half. This is 7. 1, 2, 3.5. 3.5. Now 0.5, 1.5, 2, 2.3, 3.5. Now 1, 2, 3, half, 3.5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, this is 4. 1, 2, 3, 4.5. 1, 2.5. Clear? Next. Now let's look at the questions. For which player is the total number of points is highest? Total number of points is highest for C, which is 7 points. For how many players is the total number of points is same and minimum? So same and minimum is happening for 3 people, that is D, E and F. Option C. Which player played the maximum number of wins? Which player had the maximum number of wins? So who got more ones? If you look at B, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If you look at C, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it is C, which is none of this. Next, the total number of points of how many players is less than that of B. So less than 6.5, more than 4. So we are having 4.5. Next, 5 and 5. So for 3 players, it is less than B but more than H. So less than B means less than 6.5 but more than H, which is equal to 4. Clear? Perfect. So we'll end the video over here. Now pause the video, check how we are filling the table, and whenever you see this type of questions in the exam, we need to slow down, fill up the values, and you'll definitely get the answer. And this model is very, very, very easy. Okay, so pause the video, try to solve the problem one more time, and then don't forget to comment down how much time you took to solve the question. See you in the next video, guys. Take care.